Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the Mibro logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you may see the hello message on the screen. If you see it, tap on the arrow to continue and then select the preferred language from the list of languages. I'm gonna select English, and then you will see the QR code. It means that you need to download and install the Mibro Fit application on the iPhone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search, then tap on the search bar and type in Mibro Fit and tap on search. And you should see this application, Mibro Fit. Tap on it, then tap on the get button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you will see a couple pop-ups about permissions, for example, location permission. You can allow it or deny it. And this one is useful if you want to, for example, track your progress of the activities on the map and stuff like that. I'm gonna allow it. The Bluetooth permission, I recommend to allow it. It's pretty crucial, so tap on OK. And here you can ask to not track, so I'm gonna tap on ask app not to track and then tap on agree and continue. And now we need to log in into Mibro account. If you don't have an account, you can always create a new one by tapping right here, or you can log in by using third-party app like Google, Facebook, Apple and stuff like that. I'm gonna log in into mine account, so give me a second. And then tap on login. Here we can allow some health features. If you want to allow them, tap on the switch next to them. And if you want to deny them, tap on the switch again to make them ticked off. So allow or deny the permissions and tap on allow. And after you're done, you should see the main page of the app, the home page. Now tap on the devices icon. Here tap on add device, select the Watch GS Pro from the list. Then you should see your Mibro Watch GS Pro on the list of nearby devices. Tap on it. Tap on the check mark. Tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Once you're done with the permissions, tap on complete. Then complete again, and you should see Mibro Watch GS Pro on the devices page, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.